Hi everyone, I'm Laura Masini, I'm an international trainer for Diego Dalla Palma Professional. Today I would like to talk about dry skin and hydrating skin. Most people, they think it's the same things and they get in trouble when they approach to buy some product for the home care. They read the package and sometimes they say dry skin or hydrating skin, and they don't know to this point which kind of skin condition they have in this specific moment. Let me explain the difference. Dry skin is something more connected on the surface, is a lack of oil. The reason can be sometimes the environment, maybe too dry or maybe too humid, or sometimes because it's too freezing, or because it's too hot, or because we spend too much time inside, or too much air condition, or the opposite, too much eating. This situation, it's created as breaking the surface, the barrier of the skin. It's created a lot of discomfort, sometimes irritation, sometimes even inflammatory. Sometimes you feel like become tight, the skin. And this is more surface, this is a dry skin, and this is missing oil. The hydrating skin is a lack of water. It's more deep down into epidermis and also dermis. And also the skin appears different. Yes, we have discomfort, but most of all, we lose the volume, because the water is very essential for all entire organism and for the cell. The cell, they need the water to work properly, otherwise they die. And when the organism is missing the water, so take the water from the skin. So take the water from the skin, we lose the volume. We lose all the volume inside the epidermis. And then seems like we have such skin. And that is not, this is the hydrating skin. The reason why we have dry skin or the hydrating skin can be many reasons. Sometimes can be environment. Other times can be more physiological inside. Sometimes people, they suffer from eczema, acne rosacea, very sensitive skin, hormones situation, sometimes medication, but also depend on also routine, because sometimes we don't use properly a right cleansing, and then they destroy the film we have we have a film to protect the skin, made natural of water and lipidic. So maybe we use some product that they destroyed and they make the skin barrier very weak, and then become dry skin. But also we don't use the right moisturizing, we don't give the right supplement to the skin, and in this case the skin become very dry. There are two important in the moisturize line, two important, I would say, active ingredients. One is more for dry skin, it's more lipidic, such as ceramide, for example. Active ingredients we have naturally in the skin, and these help to close up the skin and to protect. And when we talk about dry skin, we talk about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the natural molecule we have inside the skin, but for many reasons, sometimes we have less. And hyaluronic acid works as a sponge, it's delivering the water. So it's become full of water, deliver the water in the different layers inside the epidermis. Plus, the dermis, it's made of hyaluronic acid. So this is why it's very important to have inside the skin. And also when I'm talking about hyaluronic acid, it's very important to have very high concentration, but also different molecular weight to deliver the hyaluronic acid in the different layers inside the epidermis, and also to stimulate it naturally then also other hyaluronic acid into the skin. So now, to treat at home the skin, dry skin or hydrating skin, you should divide the treatment in three important steps. The first is a cleansing, and we call detox the skin. The second, it's moisturize the skin. Detox the skin and moisturize the skin has to be done daily, in the morning and the evening. And once or twice a week you can do the scrub, and also you can do the mask, and then the deep detox the skin and also deep moisturizing. For the step number 1, we need to choose the right product for cleansing and detoxify the skin. For very dynamic people, they want one product is work as a makeup remover, cleanser and toner. I suggest biphasic micellar makeup remover, this product. You can shake and you can apply on the cotton pad like this, and you can use to remove makeup from the eyes, for lips, for entire face. You don't need to wash. You can, if you want, you can use an extra cotton pad. You can use the water or not use it. It's up to you. It's very dynamic, it's very fast, even for the people that they travel in. You can also put in the small container and you can have everything. So also, if the people they like the mousse, in this case we have cell detoxing inside. It's also enriched in vitamin C. Vitamin C is very good also to brighten the skin, to correct also the pigmentation, and also for very sensitive skin, and also boost the collagen fiber. This also you shake, is very soft, easy to apply, and this one pump it's good for do all entire face, neck and the décolleté. After you're going to wash with the water, or otherwise you can use the cleansing milk. So the cleansing milk you just need a small amount like this. You can do a little bit all entire face, and this you can massage. It's quite thicker, and also that is help to detoxify deep down the skin. You just massage with the finger and then you wash with the water. And the last is apply the toner. So the toner you apply with the cotton pad like this, and you can apply all over. So this it does have everything in, so makeup remover, cleansing and toner. Or then you use the mousse, or then you use the cleansing milk, and then you apply the toner after. Step number 2, the moisturizing. Here we have a very full cocktail of active ingredients. We have 51 plus 3. 51 plus 3 are made of amino acid, vitamins, nucleic acid, ceramide, hyaluronic acid inside. So a specific cocktail which is bio-revitalizing your skin. And this is very important, especially for dry skin and hydrating skin. Plus, in this line we have also Hyalu 4 plump. So Hyalu for hyaluronic, 4 different molecular weight of hyaluronic acid more as a plus, and this for give very extra hydration. So the moisturizer, you need to choose one of those 2 cream. One is more rich in more ceramide, more lipidic, and the other is more for we say normal skin. Normal to very dry skin. You choose one of those 2 24 hours cream. You apply in the morning and you apply in the evening the same one. So once you choose, you have your cream. And then also for around the eyes, we have this specific gel for around the eyes, and also does have this specific sphere for the application. Actually, I'm going to apply now. This is a product I suggest to have all the time with you in the bag, especially if you work a lot with the computer, and also if you travel a lot, because this helps to hydrating around the eyes, but in the same time remove also the puffiness. It's very relaxing, and also you can apply a little bit up. This is help you for the application and also to stimulate the circulations. For the step number 3, once or twice a week, I suggest to start first of all after you clean the face with this product is oxygenating scrub. Oxygenating scrub, you can see here, okay? You can apply on the face when it's clean, just a small amount, and you can massage all entire face, neck and the décolleté until you can feel, you know, there is a little bit this party cell, you can still working. And then after, you need to wash the face. After that, you can immediately apply the mask, this plumping mask. You can apply in the same way like the cream, okay? It's like kind of a gel cream, gel, very fluid, we say texture, okay? As you can see, it's very, very easy to apply. You can spray with the finger all over the face, neck and décolleté, and then you can leave the product 10 minutes, and then you can wash. After that, you can apply your cream. You can apply the eye cream and also the cream for the face, the 24 hours. Now I'm here with my model Gaia. Hi Gaia. So I would like to show you how to apply step by step all the treatment for home care. So here you can see here the two products. These are the two products I choose for Gaia. This is micellar cleansing milk and revitalizer toner. So let's start with the milk. So Gaia, I'm going to apply a little bit on your hands, and you can apply all entire face and just massage all entire face like a normal cleansing product. Also on the forehead. This product also you can apply also on the neck and the décolleté, massage a little bit. That's help to remove deep down all the impurity and at the same time also the makeup. Okay, so now we continue. So we apply the revitalizer toner, then guys she apply the yellow gel eye contour, and then 24 hours hydro replenishing cream. So guys, she's going to show you how to do it. So this will be applied all over the face, neck and décolleté. And then we are ready for apply the gel for the eyes from the inner part to the external part. And then the step number 3, we are going to apply the cream. Also the cream for the entire face, neck and the décolleté. So thank you Gaia, and thank you everybody, and bye bye.
Bye.